Street. Some pulse accelerations. Revving his engine. Pulse, 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 pulsing still. So everyone does it now. So what the only explanation can be, all the pilots are just out here doing it for joy, or they all have engine problems, or there's something in the air, but there has to be a common variable in between all of them. And we all know what the common variable is, but I can't find one that would be a good excuse that includes jumbo jets and every kind of helicopter, including the fake little remote control Black Hawk helicopter, Cessnas, and everything else. It's pretty bad.